Who's a good boy? Ask any dog owner and they'll tell you the best way to train a dog is to use a system of incentives. In short, a reward, whether it's a pat on the head, verbal praise, or even a small treat, goes much further than any other method. Why does this work? Rewards create focus. If you doubt the truth in this statement, try holding a dog biscuit in front of your golden retriever and see just how focused he becomes. Humans work much the same way. We absolutely love rewards. It's why we get excited when our boss tells us we did a good job. It's the basis of every award banquet and the foundation of many successful weight loss regimens, such as when you say, "When I reach this point, I get a new wardrobe." If you find your focus is flagging, maybe it's time to instill some rewards into your trajectory. Knowing you're going to get a treat when you succeed has a way of honing that laser intensity focus. Maybe those dogs are a lot smarter than we thought.